Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete blank page in Google Docs. So I have this blank page right here. So this is page 1, 2, and then in the third one there is a blank page. Now there are actually a couple of ways that we can delete this one. What you're going to do is head over to this part right here, and then you can go ahead and start clicking backspace. The moment you do that, it's going to bring you to that page 3 or to that blank, and then you can just go ahead and continue clicking the backspace until you are back where you are supposed to be, which is this paragraph right here. Say for example, if it is connected. So now we are back at page 2, and if we are going to head over to page 3, that page is already deleted or removed. Now, if say for example that doesn't work, what you can do is try this one here. So I'm going to select all here and then format, line and paragraph spacing, and then we can go ahead and choose single. Now, the third method that we are going to do is by heading over here, page, and here in the page setup, what we are going to do now is just adjust the margins, particularly the top, bottom, left, and right corner. So here we can try 0.5. Any of that is how you're going to delete blank page on Google Docs.